Hey there! Whether you're jet setting across the time zones or just staying in touch with loved ones abroad, having dual clocks on your Xiaomi phone can be super handy. Let me show you how to set it up quickly. First, grab your Xiaomi device and open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and find Additional Settings. Next, tap on Date and Time. After that, scroll down a bit and toggle on Dual Clock. Next, tap on Second Clock. Choose your region by tapping on it and selecting your country. And that's it! From now on, you'll see 2 clocks on your home screen widget and lock screen. Easy, right? So that's how you set up dual clocks on any Xiaomi phone, whether it's a Poco, Mi, or Redmi model. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more Xiaomi phone tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now!